Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Honda Pilot garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console. To clear any previous programming, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This ensures a clean slate for your new setup. Next, take your garage door remote and hold it 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and your garage door remote button. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, then release both buttons. For the final step, you'll need to access your garage door opener motor unit. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button on the motor itself. This button is usually red or yellow. Once pressed, you have about 30 seconds to return to your Honda Pilot and firmly press the previously programmed home link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release sequence 2 more times. Now test your newly programmed home link button by pressing it. Your garage door should open or close smoothly. If it doesn't work on the first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire programming process from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step carefully. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it just right, especially with older garage door openers. For more great tips and other deals, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.